Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Redmi 12. So first open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the EasyFax. Allow permissions to camera and to the files. There is a place where you can get your free credits. Now click on the plus and choose something from your gallery or any other source. Just select the saved picture, like that one, and click import. Now you can add a shape of your picture or text document and click on the arrow. Choose a filter for the photo to make it more visible for the receiver, and if you're ready, click accept. Type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and now just get your free credits or buy it and click on this button. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.